Are you overwhelmed by all the technology options for the classroom today? Well, there is a better way. Icon Educate combines the best tools for both teaching and learning in one easy-to-use application. It works on any device to easily organize all your teaching materials and classes in one place. Use it for in-class teaching and for at-home self-paced learning. Instantly create interactive presentations using your animated PowerPoints for more engaging classroom lessons. Icon Educate is perfect for blended classrooms with students reviewing your whiteboard presentations at home. Or for digital class day, students can take notes on their personal copy of interactive whiteboard. But teachers are always in control with the built-in tablet control functions. Choose from many assignments to provide engaged learning both in class and at home, such as your comprehension questions on uploaded videos or student video answers to your questions. Plan ahead for assignments to be sent in and due for each class, and the students will receive notification. With unlimited and customizable gradebooks, you can grade the way you want for each class. Automatic grading or custom assignments give real-time feedback of how students are performing. The lesson planning helps teachers and school stay connected to plan the curriculum and timing. With 2 free parent accounts for every student, parents are connected to what's happening in class. With Icon Educate, we provide an easy-to-use, all-in-one digital solution to help provide engaging learning for your classroom.